As above, so below. As within, so without. You are the equation of eternity. Welcome to the Mercury Minute. Friday, April the 3rd. The moon leaves Cancer and enters Leo at 12:32 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Venus in Aries squares Pluto in Capricorn at 3:23 a.m. Visiting a place of care is not out of the question. Dealing with a government agency can provide a lesson for the day. Relationships in general are going to be tested with the results only adding to your strength. Communication is the key over the next few days. Therefore, listen to the words you speak and the words you hear. I learned that there's an underlying meaning behind dialogue. Be open to hearing what is not said. To laugh is to be one with creation. To laugh is to be beyond fear. Everything that irritates us about others can lead us to an understanding of ourselves. Carl Jung. Friday, April 3rd. That's your Mercury Minute.